What's up, everybody? We have a client we did a jack shaft for, the LiftMaster 98022, not too long ago. They just got a swanky new Subaru, so they want their HomeLink programmed for their garage door opener, so we're gonna go through the steps to do that. Stay tuned and check it out. All right, so we have our garage door clicker right here, and then under here you're gonna have 3 buttons. We're gonna press and hold the first and third button until everything resets. You'll notice that little orange LED light turns to green and we let go. Now we are going to press and release the button we want to program. Grab our remote, press and hold the button we want to program until it turns green, and it should take about 20 seconds. Boom, and once that's programmed, press your button. And our garage door should be opening and closing. There it goes, and it's letting you know here that it's in the up position or going up. And then once it is up, it turns green. It also does the same thing for the down position. And if you can't remember when you leave your house, you can press and hold these 2 buttons. I'm sorry, the first 2 buttons, and it'll let you know the last position that your garage door was in. Hey guys, if you liked this video on how to program your Subaru to a LiftMaster opener, we've got other videos on how to program remotes, and we'll be doing some more car ones, but you can click the link on how to program your Chamberlain garage door opener below. Give us a like and a follow, and I look forward to seeing you soon.